Hello everybody, welcome back to hardreset.info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the paper source on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first we need to go over to the menu. Now here in the menu, we need to select the function settings right here. Now we need to go to the copy, and while we're in the copy, we need to click on the change default settings. And here we will have our paper source. So now we can choose between drawer 1 or the multi-purpose tray. So you've got two options, and that's basically it. After you change everything, you just need to click on apply, and now those settings are configured. So that'd be it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.